Hello and welcome to my channel. So we are going to sew this simple kimono top with front open and also a string at the side. So I have 2 yards of fabric that I've folded into two. Okay, yes, I folded into two. I have extra here, extra 1 yard here that I'm going to use for the band, pocket, and all the others. Okay, so I folded it into two. Okay, and then folded it again, making 4. You see, so this side is the joint part. This is the joint part. So when you measure, the length is 36. The length is 36, and that's exactly what I'm going to use. And also this folded into two is 22.5. so it means when you open is 43 for front, 43 inches for front, 43 inches for the back. Do you get it? Okay, so let's add our measurement. This one is very simple. So I'm going to come here, the center here, this is the center, and then I'll measure 3 inches, and then I'll measure 1.5 for the back neck. You get it for the back neck. Okay, so join it here. So this is it. Okay, now I'm going to come here and I'm going to measure the arm width. So the arm width, because this is a joint part, I'm not going to divide it. I'm not going to cut the shoulder. This is going to be the shoulder. I'm not going to cut it. Do you get it? Okay, so let's place this here, and I'm going to mark the width. I'm going to mark 13 inches or 12.5. I'll mark 12.5. Yes, sorry, 12.5 is here, so 12.5. okay, now with the width of the dress, I'm going to use my hip measurement. My hip measurement is 48 divided by 4 is going to be 12 inches. So 12 inches, I'm going to add 6 inches to the 12, and that's going to be 18. So I'll place 18 here, 18 inches here. So this is 18, and I'm going to do that all through. Yes, so I'll come to the down part here also, and then measure 18 exactly through. So let me join. Okay, let's see. I'm going to shape it a bit. You see, to get the armhole very well. Cut this. So let's cut the neck. Armhole. So this is it at the end of the day. The next thing we are going to do is to take it this way. When you open it, that's how it's going to be. So I'm going to take the middle part so that we work on the front part. I'm going to place it this way. Okay, so this is going to be the front part. What we are going to do is we are going to take 3 inches from the front part. Yes, 3 inches. 3 inches. Okay, so I'm going to cut this off. So this is it. Now we are going to cut the band for the front, or cut the band for of the front and the neckline. Okay, so you just have to take it this way, and then you are going to measure from here the length of the band you will need. So you measure all through. 59 here, and come and measure the rest. So you see, you have like 22 points, so it's going to be like 80 something. And so the what you get, that is what you're going to use to cut for the band. I have the band I'm going to use. It's very long, that can go all around. Do you get it? So the band that I have here is 3 inches. You can measure 2.5 and use. So if you get 2 inches, it's okay. It has been folded into 2. You see, ironed on top. So you see, what I have here is more than, it's 3.5. I actually needed 3 inches, so I'll reduce it by ½ inch. If you get 2.5, it's okay, so that the 2 inches you will use ½ inch to join. Okay. So I'll just take it from the front side here, and then sew it all through after I have reduced some from it. Sew it all through, sew it all through, sew to the down. So I'll do that. This is what we are going to use for our pocket. I wanted the pockets big, a bit big, so what I have is 10.5, and then the length is, I think it's 10 inches or so, 10.5. Yes, so I'm going to fold ½ inch here, fold same here, fold the down part, iron on top, and then after I have joined this, after I've joined, the next thing that I'll do is fold the down part. I'll fold on top this way, iron, fold, and then iron and sew on top. I'll do it all for all, and then I'll come to the sleeve side too. I'll do the same thing. So I'll just fold this way, fold, iron on top, and sew. Okay, so I'll do that, then we'll continue. Okay guys, so this is it. See, you see, yes. So I'm going to join the side together. I'm going to join the side together. So this way, so 1 inch, because of the drawstring. So 1 inch. I'm sewing ½ inch here. So I'm going to sew it this way all the way down, and I'll do the same for the other side. Okay, so this is it. I'm done joining. The next thing I'm going to do is we are going to add our ropes to it. I have 4 of it, and the length is 20. You can make it the length you want. I think it's even more than 20. I have the length to be 21, so you can make it however you want. So we are going to place them here, you see, and then place one also here, and do the same for the other side. So we are going to measure 9 inches. So 9 inches here, like this. You see, so I'm going to pull it. It's going to be like this. Then I'll put this on top this way. I'm going to secure this, pull this one also, secure it, and then fold it this way and sew on top. I'll do the same for the other side, and I'm going to add my pockets. So let's measure my waist. Shoulder to waist is 17, and I'll come down by 2 inches, which is 19. You see, so 19, and I'm going to measure 3 inches from here. Now this is what I'm going to use for my pockets. This is what I'm going to use. I folded it here and there, so the length is 8 inches and this one is 8 inches, so 8 by 8. So I'm going to place it here this way. Okay, and I'm going to sew. Okay, and I'll do the same for the other side also. You see, then I'll show you the end results.